Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are seeing a WhatsApp out of date message on your Android phone, don't worry, you are not alone. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix it. Solution 1. Set correct date and time. Open the settings app on your Android phone. Scroll all the way down and tap on system. Then tap on date and time. Here enable set automatically and set time zone automatically. Solution 2. Download the latest GB WhatsApp APK. Open your phone's browser. Search GB WhatsApp latest version APK. Download the APK file. It will update GB WhatsApp without deleting your data. Open the updated GB WhatsApp and check that your outdated WhatsApp problem is resolved or not. That's it. You have successfully updated GB WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.